The Earthwormade team was curious to find out how utilizing Earthwormade Vermicompost as a germination mix would compare to commercially available bark-based mixes. So today we put them to the test with basil, tomato, rocket and lavender seeds. We're comparing a vermicompost soil mix to a commonly available bark-based germination mix. First, we prepared the vermicompost mix by combining Earthwormade Vermicompost with garden soil. The bark-based mix is poured into a container for easy handling and transferred to trays. We now fill the germination trays with the vermicompost and soil mix, one for each type of seed. The same is done with the bark mix, ensuring an even and consistent setup. About 20 basil seeds are carefully placed in each tray. Basil is a kitchen favorite, perfect for fresh pesto, salads and garnishing a variety of dishes. Next, we do the same with the tomato seeds. Tomatoes are versatile in home cooking, used in sauces, salads and sandwiches. Rocket, or arugula, brings a peppery bite to salads and sandwiches, making it a great addition to any home garden. Lavender not only smells amazing, but it also is used in teas, baked goods, and even for natural relaxation remedies. With all the seeds in place, we give each tray a deep watering, ensuring a good start for germination. Stay tuned as we track the germination results over the next 14 days. Which mix will perform better? Subscribe to find out.